FM. Feel the language.
You walked in with quiet nerves, didn't know just what you're worth. Hands were shaking just a little, but your voice, it found its rhythm. Every word, every line, you were right there in your time. No need to overthink it now. You nailed it, yeah, you did it right. Every moment came alive, no doubt, no second guess. You gave your very best. You nailed it, can't you see? That's exactly how it's meant to be. Not just good, not just fine. You were perfect in your time. People listening, leaning in, every sentence pulled them in. It wasn't just what you were saying, it was how you made them feel it. Now you smile, now you know that you own that little show. No need to question it again. You nailed it, yeah, you did it right. Every moment came alive, no doubt, no second guess. You gave your very best. You nailed it loud and clear. That's the moment you don't fear. Not just luck, not just skill. You show them something real. And if you ever doubt again, just remember where you've been. That feeling when it all aligned, the quiet spark inside your mind. You nailed it, hold on tight. That's your moment in the light. Every step, every try led you to this perfect time. You nailed it, now you know how far your voice can really go. Not just words, not just sound, that's confidence you found.
This is Sundaish FM, where language meets feeling and meaning comes alive. Let me ask you something. Have you ever done something so well that for a moment, everything just felt right? Not perfect in a textbook way, but perfect in a real, human way. That moment has a phrase. Native speakers say, "You nailed it." Now listen closely, because this isn't just vocabulary. This is how confidence sounds in English. Imagine this. A man walks onto a small stage, just a guitar in his hands. No band, no effects, no second takes. Just him and the silence of the room. His fingers touch the strings. The first note, a little shaky. His voice, not perfect, but real. And something changes. The room starts to listen. Not because he's flawless, but because he's honest. Every word, every note carries something true. He's not trying to impress, he's just being present. And by the time he reaches the last chord, something magical happens. Silence. Then, applause. Not loud at first, but deep, meaningful, real. And someone in the audience leans forward, smiles, and says, "You nailed it." Do you feel that? You nailed it doesn't just mean good job. It means you did it perfectly in the moment that mattered. It means You connected. You delivered. You made it real. Now here's the deeper layer. Native English is not about perfection. It's about impact. You can make small mistakes, but still nail it. Because what people remember is how you made them feel. Let's break it down. Nailed it. The verb to nail originally means to hit something exactly, precisely, like a hammer hitting a nail perfectly into place. So when you say you nailed it, you're saying you hit it exactly right. No extra, no missing, just right. Now listen to this real-life example. Your presentation was amazing. And the response? Thanks. I'm glad I nailed it. Hear that? It sounds confident, but not arrogant. Natural, but powerful. That's the balance native speakers use. Now let's go deeper. Why is this phrase so powerful? Because it's emotional. It doesn't just describe performance. It celebrates effort, courage, and presence. Think about your life. Maybe a job interview, a conversation in English, a moment where you were nervous, but you still showed up, and you did well. That's your moment to say, I nailed it. Not because everything was perfect, but because you gave your best. And here's the secret. Phrases like this, they change how you sound and how you feel. When you say, I nailed it, you're not just speaking English. You're owning your experience. You're stepping into confidence. And confidence is what makes you sound fluent. Not vocabulary lists, not grammar drills, but moments like this. Real expression, real feeling, real English. So next time, when you finish something, a presentation, a conversation, even a small task, don't just say, I did okay. Say it right. I nailed it. Because maybe, just maybe, you did. This is Sundaish FM, where you don't just learn English, you feel it. I've prepared 15 comprehension questions for you, designed to test your understanding, sharpen your listening, and help you think deeper in English. So listen carefully, answer thoughtfully, and challenge yourself. Drop your answers in the comments. If this helped you, don't just watch. Join the Hub. Subscribe, stay consistent, and take your English to the next level.
Perfect time. You nailed it. Now you know how far your voice can really go. Not just words, not just sound. That's confidence you found.